school. This week is a short week. We'll only have 2 days of school together before your Thanksgiving holidays. Remember, this Thursday is Thanksgiving, and we have been learning all about Thanksgiving, haven't we? All right, now over the weekend we had 2 days. Okay, we had the 21st was Saturday, the 22nd was Sunday. Today, what do you think it'll be? When I'm counting, I say 22, 23. Today is Monday, the 23rd. All right, now let's figure out how many days we've been in school. To do that, I'm gonna add another straw to our ones column. All right, so let's pull the straw out. Here it is. And I'm gonna stick it into our ones column. Okay, now I'm gonna count all of these by tens because we've already grouped these by tens, okay? And now these I'm gonna count by ones right here. All right, and I'm gonna keep counting by ones after I'm done with my tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. You've been in school for 55 days. All right, now let's build the number 55. To do that, first I need to see how many groups of 10 I have. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10. That's awesome. All right, so do I have a 5 in my 10 spot? I do, so we're good there. All right, so now I need to count how many ones I have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, we have 5 of those too. All right, do I have a 5 in my one spot? Nope, I need to change that. So I'm gonna take this 4 and I'm gonna change it to a 5. And now I have the number 55. That's 5 groups of 10 and 5 ones left over. Let's flip over our number of the day, okay? Now, on Friday, we have been in school for 54 days. When you're counting, what comes after the number 54? 54, 55. All right, let's flip it over. What do you think the number 55 will look like? Well, I know that 50 numbers always start with the number 5. I was giving you a little clue, I guess, all right? And then when I say the word 55, the second number I hear is a 5. So I bet it's a 5 and a 5. Oh, it is! Read it with me. 55. Read it again. 55. One more time. 55. All right. We have been in school for 55 days. All right. Look at our penny. Do you remember our poem? Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Just 1 cent. All right. Now, I'm going to pull out a shape. I'm going to describe it to you. You've got to see if you can figure out what shape it is that I am holding. Which one do I want to pick? I'm going to come over here to grab it. All right. This is a 3D shape. So when I'm holding it in my hands, there's some space there. It's round, all the way around. Feels kind of like a ball. No corners, no sides. What could it be? It's a sphere. A sphere is a 3D shape because when I hold it, there's space in between my hands. I also call these a solid shape, okay? So it's a solid shape right here, okay? It's round like a ball. It's called a sphere. Now let's look at all of our shapes. Are you ready? Nope. Grab. All right. Shape is this: cone, sphere, cylinder, cube, hexagon, square, rectangle, circle, and triangle. All right, now let's look at our dot cards. Tell me how many. 1, 6, 10, 7, 9, 5, 0, 4, 8, 2, 3. All right, now let's look at our number of the day. We have been working on teen numbers, okay? What number is this? 16. Now remember that tricky teen numbers always start with a 1. Okay, if you hear teen in the number, that means the first number is going to be a 1. And then you can just kind of listen for what it sounds like the second number will be. So when I say 16, I hear a 6 in there, so I know it's a 1 and then a 6. Now this is showing us how to build 16 with those 10 rods that we've looked at. And I want to do that right now, okay? All right, so I'm going to start by grabbing one 10 rod. Remember, this counts as 10. I don't have to count it, just like with my straws. I don't have to count every single one. I know this is 10. So when I put it in my little jar, I'm just gonna count 10. And then I'm gonna keep counting my ones until I get to 16. All right, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? There are 6 ones and 1 10 and 16. Now let's go do our number of the way.